US dollar strengthens slightly during the early hours here on Friday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has dropped a bit against the US dollar in the early hours of Friday as we continue to see the 1.18 level cause a little bit of trouble. Keep in mind that during the previous session on Thursday, the ECB did not move rates, and they even suggested that they were perhaps on hold. So this may have taken some of the premium out, as people, I think, believe that the Europeans were in fact going to tighten. And with that being the case, this, of course, makes the euro a little bit more attractive. I don't necessarily believe that this is a market that is going to melt down, but I do think this is a market that might struggle to get above the 1.18 level. I can see a scenario quite easily at this point that maybe we just consolidate between the 1.18 level and the 1.16 level. The US dollar has raced higher against the Japanese yen during the trading session on Friday to touch the 148 yen level and by extension the 200-day EMA. This is a market that I do think breaks out eventually, but as things stand right now, it is rather difficult to get above here. If we do, then the 149 yen level is your next target. Anything above there opens up the floodgates. I expect to see that sooner or later. I just don't know if we see it right this moment. The Australian dollar has fallen yet again against the US dollar to reach the 0.6550 region yet again. We are in a fairly obvious uptrending channel. We are right in the middle of it, so this is about as neutral as it gets. Longer term, it does look like we want to go higher, but it's more of a grind. It's not really a huge move that I think is going to push this market. I think it's going to lull people to sleep for some time. And in fact, if you draw the channel out a little bit, maybe make it a little bit longer in time, you can even make an argument that we're just continuing the same channel we were in before that big dip in early April with the tariffs being announced. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.